Aloha again, guys. Mike Drutar, principal broker and owner, Next Home Paradise Realty, bringing you another property tour. Today, we are looking at what's called a CPR property, condominium property regime. Now, this is a house, and that's a house. Legally, these are actually two separate condo units of one condo complex. There was a loophole that existed in the laws here in Hawaii a few decades ago that no longer is there, but allowed people to put two properties, two single-family residences on a single lot zoned for single-family residential. That loophole is now closed, but you still have a lot of these properties out there. The market treats this like a residential property. It'll have condo association rules and bylaws, just like any other condo association, but they tend to be very, very livable, with usually no maintenance fees. If there are maintenance fees, it'll be something like for road maintenance and things like that. This unit has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Up on the top level, we have 2 large carport stalls down below. A couple things that are interesting. This one has a fully owned solar PV system, so big check on that. This also has a central AC system, which is pretty rare as well. Now, this is one that we have listed here at Next Home Paradise Realty, and the seller on this one bought this and fixed it. So you don't have to bring your hammer. Someone already did. It is ready to move in. So I'm going to run out of, I'm not going to be able to remember everything new in here, but there is a lot. I got it on a wide angle right now, so everything looks a little bit small. Let's zoom in back to close to normal. All right, you walk in, you got your main living area with your open kitchen on the other side. So we got new vinyl flooring, new paint, new baseboards, new, what do you call those? Registers, I think is what you call that. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below. For your forced air system. We have a new light in the dining room. We have a new light in the living room. He put an island in here. So let's just start over here. New wine cooler, new refrigerator, new sink and faucet, new dishwasher, new oven, new microwave, new cabinets, all the way across on top and on bottom. Extra storage over here in the island, that's great. We have staple close drawers with soft close on those. It's pretty good what you can get at Lowe's these days, I gotta tell you. One thing that I like about this house in particular is, one, you have this large, super high vaulted ceiling with the tongue and groove and beams up there. That gives you a lot more sense of space. And the other thing I like is that you got the 2 guest bedrooms on one side, and then you have the owner's bedroom on the other side. So that makes it, I like that, just like having that separation. So let's come in here real quick, go down to our bedroom number 2. Got 2 good sized windows leading outside, bringing in the view. We got actually a little backyard area there too. And I'll get to that in a moment. We have our closet there. You see me in my Next Home polo shirt. I had that for a photo thing today. I'll tell you guys about that maybe on down the road. We did an event at a local elementary school today. All right, so we got new faucet, new sink. These are these great slide-in sink units that you can put. I like how he has it here with the floating cabinet. Looks really good. It helps give you a little bit of sense of space in here. New toilet, new mirror, new lights. Pretty decent. Everything pretty new on that. Again, we got the new flooring, the new baseboards. We got a little pantry, linen closet, right there. And then another bedroom similar to the other one. Wait, it looks like it's the exact same size to me. Oh, both these bedrooms have new ceiling fans. I don't think I pointed that out in the last one. You see our brand new closet doors as well. New light switches throughout. New faceplates on all the electrical outlets. So I mean, we're talking new. Everywhere, everything's new. Coming in here to the owner's wing. Got a super deep closet for storing sheets and whatnot. New thermostat on our AC system. New washer and dryer. Little storage up above that. And then access outside, if you want a second access, with a stairway going out there as well. And then over here into our main bedroom. New blinds, new vertical blinds. New ceiling fan, new closet door there. New sink, we got actually 2 of those in here, again floating, which is really nice. Nice mirror, new lights, new toilet, new shower rods, new door hardware, new flooring, new. You can go outside here, we have a slider, but I'm gonna go over to the front door so you guys can see that. You have a little covered lanai area here, which I like having. It's nice to have this space. Very green and tropical. We're up here on Royal Poinciana Place, so we're in the heart of Kona. You're probably a 3-minute drive from Kahakai Elementary School. So let's come down here and check out something that's really, really, really unique. Okay, I'm gonna push through to show you this unfinished area that a lot of people have been asking me about. So this is a good amount of additional storage space. You can make it a workshop. Some people have told me they would think about closing this in. More space over here. You can see our ducting that we have for our AC that was going upstairs to our main living area. Paint has been saved, so you know what you have if you need to do some touch up in your ownership. And this makes this really interesting right here. So we have our plumbing in place, roughed in. So some people, as you might imagine, have told me that they would make that a bathroom and close this stuff and open up some possibilities. Now, remember, this is legally a condo. You have condo bylaws that you'd have to refer to make sure you can do what you want to do and that you get permission from your other condo owners to do what you want to do. Check out this nice lawn area. Very, very manageable size. This is a great area. Put your swing set out here, treehouse for the kids, whatever you need, and you are ready to go. All right, that is what I have to show you today. I really appreciate you guys sticking in. As always, click like and subscribe. Check out some more videos. We're putting up videos usually at least 1, but often 2 to 3 or 4 a week, depending on what topics, with market reports, podcasts, owning in Hawaii, and of course the property tours I know you guys love so much. I have over to the left an additional set of videos on a playlist, which I think you guys are really going to like, so be sure to check that out. I'll see you again real soon. Click like and subscribe. Aloha.